In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable WhatsApp notification sound on your device. WhatsApp notifications are essential to stay updated with messages from friends and family. By enabling the notification sound, you can easily know when a new message has arrived without having to constantly check your phone. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Notifications. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application. Tap on it. As you can see, the sound is turned off. To enable WhatsApp notification sound on your device, simply toggle on this switch. Once you've done that, make sure that your iPhone is not on mute. You can check this by looking at the switch on the side of your device. If the switch shows an orange line, it means your phone is on mute. Slide the switch in the opposite direction to unmute it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.